Right,
hello everyone and welcome to South Yorkshire in the north of England. Today I'm at Doncaster on the East Coast Main Line and a few other irrelevant lines I can't be bothered to say over there. We've got class 56 something, I can't see from here, but yeah, we're going to be seeing services from Northern, that's definitely certain, LNER, Hull Trains, Grand Central, yeah, Lumo, and a few other bits and bobs as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. This is Trains at Doncaster. Let's get into it. Okay, approaching is LNER.
London King's Cross will now leave from platform 3A.
And it's being really annoying today. Okay. It's coming in from Harrogate.
Platform 4.
It's going towards London King's Cross.
56 cross-country service to York.
Here it is.
York.
We
only.
have
This
from Harrogate.
Has 4 coaches.
This is
first class accommodation.
800 to 10.
Out in zone 5. Standard class in zones 8 to 6. Cycle
Lovely,
spaces
right.
in zone 7. Wheelchair spaces
See this depart. It's only a 5 car.
And 5.
Okay, departing Doncaster on a service towards London King's Cross. It's 800 to 10. We're just waiting for something. Dispatcher's already blown the whistle. Right, just releasing the brakes and off it goes. You might not see it, but I'll see it at the same time. See, I hate 180s. I really do hate train spotting them. So strange. You can't even see the number. And over there is a cross-country service from Reading to York with a Voyager. Can't tell you which one. Couldn't possibly tell you which one. So yeah, that's the first trains we spotted here. Nice. And following suit straight away is 801-205 on an ER service from, I believe that is thingy. I'm not sure where it's from. Right, 801-205 on another North Eastern Railway service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. That's going to be tailgating that other one. And apparently there's a platform 0 here as well. Not really sure where that is. It's probably on the other side of the station. That service, that cross country is off. That is 221 140. 221 140 towards York.
For the 1505 Northern service to Hull.
So wicked here.
Fares apply on this service. You must buy a ticket before boarding this train.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, approaching is another 801
Azuma service to York. Calling it York only. This train has 9 coaches.
The announcer's just done my job. That service is off to York. 801-219 from London King's Cross, of course. So just in case you don't like getting the cross country, just get this. Go 801-219. Taking forever to brake. There we go. There we are. Got there. Nice. Right, over there is a Northern Civity class 331
Engineering work is taking
from
place on the East Coast Main Line
Leeds
on the 10th and 11th
to
of February
Doncaster.
and between the 17th and 20th of February.
331
Impacted journeys will take longer and involve
That's
a rail replacement
00
coach
something.
service. Plan ahead and check before you travel at nationalrail.co.uk.
Yeah, it's just a 3 car. So if it's just a 3 car, then it's a /0. It's just behind that LNR Zoomer. It's going to go on platform 6. Nice.
Northallerton, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Morecambe.
Right, we've got
Aberdeen,
a LNR
and
IET
Edinburgh.
towards Edinburgh, 801 210.
First class down in zone 432. Standard class, zone 10 to 5.
When boarding this train, make your way. This platform does not have tactile pavement foliage.
Calling at York, Northallerton, Durham, Newcastle, Morpeth, Armouth and Edinburgh Waverley. Don't forget the Waverley. I know that the United keeps saying Edinburgh, but it's actually Edinburgh Waverley. Nice. Right, passing through. Was 800 110 from Aberdeen to London King's Cross, passing through the down up, sorry, the up
London King's Cross.
through line here at Doncaster with a great driver tone there as well.
London King's Cross.
So you actually do get passing trains through here, which is what these through tracks are for. We've got 2 trains currently stationary. We've got a Northern Turbo Star over there and a pair of Class 801s on platform 1. We are going to be seeing those depart shortly. Okay, now pulling in onto Doncaster platform 4 is a Northern Turbo Star Class 170. Oh, I see it's 170-460. Very nice idle sound. We've got also over here we've got 801 105 and 801 102 forming the service from Leeds to London King's Cross. Very empty as I look through the windows. Yeah, I expect it to be rammed, but it wasn't. So yeah, very cool. That northern service was off to Scarborough from Sheffield. I think it's Sheffield. You may have noticed also that there is a super sprinter in East Midlands Railway colours, just sat there doing nothing in the Doncaster siding next to the station. Yes, at the moment we've got a pair of Turbo Stars side by side, ready to work on their respective services to Scarborough on the left and Sheffield on the right.
Hornby, Filey,
Crossing over some junctions is a Turbo Star from Scarborough to Sheffield. 170 459.
Northern service to Scarborough
Rather got some breathing space as well. Not too bad. It's off to Sheffield.
Will be the 1515 LNER service to Harrogate via Leeds. Calling at Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, Horsforth and Harrogate. This train has 5 coaches. Due to a short platform,
Just turning right.
Horsforth,
towards Sheffield. I'm not even sure if it gets. I think it's got a green signal down there. So this signal was red all the way, and I think it's been given the all clear to go to the right or back at platform 3B or 3B. Yeah, it's 3B. Off that goes.
Between the 30th of January.
Right, pulling in onto platform. Can't be 4. It has to be platform 5. Is 800 208. Right. From London King's Cross to Harrogate Town. I say Harrogate Town? Sorry, that's the name of their football club. Harrogate. Right, so there's a few extra platforms over there. Nice. You can't see it because there's a building right in the road. It's a really strange station, but that's just the way it is, isn't it? Just chosen this platform to train spot. Oh gosh. Can you hear that turbo start?
Zones 7 and 6. Standard class in zones 10 to 8.
Please mind the step.
It's great. It's off to Scarborough. You can see a slight glimpse of that 331 as well over there, towards Leeds. Oh hello, what's this? 37 over there. Just stable, obviously. But there are no 37s due to pass anytime soon. Nice. Okay, about to whiz through on the down fast is a 9-car linear Zoomer. (800 101) on a service from London King's Cross to Aberdeen. Look through the windows and it's empty. It is absolutely empty. Might get busy, and look at that, it's going side by side to the LNER towards Harrogate. Look at that, you've got the service towards Aberdeen on the right and the service to Harrogate on the left, which is going towards Leeds. Very nice. Right, okay. That sounded good. 803 003 on a Lumo service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. As you can see, 125 miles an hour as soon as it goes through that limit. Next up for that is, take a guess, London King's Cross.
This platform does not have tactile paving
Nice.
at the edge.
Right, we've got a few trains arriving here. We've got a 185 from Cleethorpes.
This train
And
has
a
two coaches.
two-car class 150. Just look at it.
Ticket before boarding this train.
150-272, as you can see, to Sheffield. Nice. Gonna see those depart. Well, see the one on the northern, the Sprinter, we're gonna see depart, but I'm not sure about the Desiro, the diesel Desiro. Gosh, the 185's headlights are proper strong. Wow, proper dazzling. Sorry. Really dazzling. Ah, he's changed it to tail lights. Good stuff. He's turned them off now. Nice. Right, this is going to be quite amusing to see. Departing Doncaster from Adwick to Sheffield is 152.72. I can't believe Northern still use these on these services.
Calling it Wakefield Westgate and Leeds. This train has 9 coaches. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train.
Please mind the step.
Wow, it's
boarding this
proper
train.
windy up here.
Beware,
Proper
this platform
chilly
does
as
not
well.
have tactile paving at the
Gosh.
edge.
I think I've come on the wrong day. I'm not going to complain though, it's not raining too much, so I'll take that. Nice. Oh, there we've got 66749 running around. But over here we've got a locomotive hauled service Intercity 225, class 91 leading at the front, going towards Leeds from London King's Cross. I can tell you now, this is 91119.
First class accommodation is at the rear of the train.
DVT 82225 rear.
nationalrail.co.uk.
That one is going from London King's Cross to Leeds, of course, because only 91s only go towards Leeds these days, and there's one diagram a day, I think, towards York. That's pretty much it. They don't go anywhere else. Used to go to Edinburgh, but they stopped that years back now. Nice. Okay, after seeing that 91 pull in, I think I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for joining me today in the north of England, guys. South Yorkshire to be exact. If you, well, actually Doncaster City. If you did like it, please make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, I don't know why, but I think I've picked up the Yorkshire accent now. It's so easy to pick up. As soon as you get up to the station, like, it's so easy to listen to other people speak with the same accent, and then all of a sudden you pick it up as well. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to speak with my normal accent now. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll see you soon. You may have noticed that I'm not uploading recently, and I'm sticking to rail tours and interesting movements, but today I thought I'd just do a trains at Doncaster, as I hardly ever visit the station. I probably won't even visit again unless there's something really interesting. So yeah, very nice. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video. Take care.